Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree and I just wanted to show you guys a few new items that I found. Some fall decor like these pails. They had these pails last year as well. Right now they have the witch in the green pail and the owl, the little pumpkin owl in the red pail. And they are both brown on the inside. And then I saw these little brooms, these little scarecrow brooms, and I believe these are new at Dollar Tree. I don't remember seeing these last year. They have them with a green hat, an orange hat, and I'm going to show you the red hat as well. Those are really cute. And I can tell they just put those out because there's so many of them and they're all in the same place. These were some new garden stakes with a little spinning element to them. They have the pumpkin, the owl, and the scarecrow. The little spinning part looks more like holly for Christmas to me, but it's still a cute little sign. And then they have all the regular ones that they normally have. And then I saw these cute glasses, these novelty glasses. They have the pumpkin, the ghost. They have these with the spiders. They say Happy Halloween. And I'll get you a better look at those in a moment. And then these were my favorite, the purple ones with the little witch's hat and the bling. Those were really cute. And now you can see it says Happy Halloween. Those are really nice. I like those too. They have these little ceramic figures that you can paint. They only had the witch before, but now they have a vampire. They have Frankenstein holding a pumpkin. Look how cute he is. And they have the jack-o'-lantern. And I'll get you a better look at him too in a second. Here it is. And they also have a witch. In fact, the witch was the first one that they had. This is the witch right here. And they just put out the other little ceramic figures. And for Halloween, they also have these new items as well. A spider skeleton and this skeleton, skull and bones. Skull and crossbones. Is that what it's called? And they brought back these little felt stickers. Some of them are kind of cute and smiley, and other ones have like a menacing face for the jack-o'-lanterns. They also have some with witches' hats and shoes as well, and ghosts. I showed you guys some of the paint sets for Thanksgiving, and these are more that they have for Halloween. They have a lot of the MDF signs, and look how cute these scarecrow signs are. They are adorable. They remind me of a Christmas DIY that I made last year. And I'll link that for you if you haven't seen it. But I was so excited to see these two. This one is the girl, little sunflowers in her hat. And then this scarecrow has a crow on him. And he's in his little denim overalls. You really don't need to do anything to these. They are ready to go. You could hot glue a stake onto the back and stick them in your yard, but they're so cute. And then they have these sunflowers in two different sizes. The larger ones, you only get 6 in a pack, and the smaller ones, you get 9 in a pack. So those are really cute. More Halloween decor. A lot of this we saw last year. I don't know if they will bring back the little skeletons that they have You remember the ones they have that are motion activated, like the wolf will howl or something? None of these are those kinds. These are just little skeletons, regular skeletons. But this little bag of bones, I think, is new. I don't remember seeing them last year. And I don't think they had these glow in the dark hands last year either. But they have the hands in just the regular kind of decor as well. And the hanging skeletons, they have the regular ones, and then they have these that glow in the dark. They have the little skeleton heads, they had those last year, and this hanging upside down bat skeleton. Over in the home section, I found these new faux wood removable hooks, and they only come two in a pack, so those were a great find. And then in the food section, I found these Mrs. Butterworth's pancakes in a cup, buttermilk pancake mix in a cup, and it includes syrup chips. So those would be great if you're in a rush in the morning. You can just mix them up in the microwave and take them with you. Nice, easy breakfast for you. Then I saw these barbecue sauces, and I don't remember seeing these before. They don't expire until next year in the summer of 2021, and they come in regular and honey, and it's a full pound of barbecue sauce for $1, so that's a great deal. And then Kraft has these two flavors, the slow simmered hickory smoke and the sweet brown sugar for those last minute barbecues that you're going to have before that cold weather comes. This, I think, is also new, this cheesy garlic biscuit mix. It reminds me of the Red Lobster biscuits. These Voodoo Zaps chips are new, and these Andy Cap hot fries are also new. Just some extra snacks that they have over in the little snack section. And then I didn't film these at the store, but these are some new Glade sprays that I bought, the Lemon Fresh and the Amber and Oud. I don't know how you pronounce it, but that one smells amazing. They've also carried these two sprays in the past. And up by the registers, they have these little Pac-Man, little squishy toys that are like mystery toys. And that's what the little Pac-Man is going to look like. So those would make great stocking stuffers. And then the last thing I'm going to leave you with, guys, are these fashion masks. I did not find any for kids like I showed you guys at a previous Dollar Tree, but they had dark brown ones, pink ones, black ones, this one with a pattern. They have the camo, and then they also have sort of the surgical mask looking type of masks. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. If you missed the video that I already uploaded today featuring fall decor pumpkins from Dollar Tree, I will link that for you, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, stay safe and take care. Bye, guys.